Bitcoin, we want to give a quick update. First of all, we refer to our analysis in my last video. Actually, if we refer to our last analysis, that time the price was here. We mentioned whether we get another correction for one more drop. This is what we get. I want to see because this part we get this sharp move, whether this is a correction for continuation or for one more drop. Okay, and first of all, how we can look at this as expanding or not. Usually if we get this expanding, as I mentioned every time, it's not easy to trade. Okay, that's why this is what we get because of the price broke this low already. Okay, now I want to see how we can trade it. First we start with the higher time frame to see the, or I mean the overall for those traders who are new to this analysis. We get this down move, we want to see whether this is a start of the up move simply, or we can expect one more drop. Similar to what we have here, we get one move, price drop, correction. Can we expect this is the for one more drop before we get the next move? All right. For sure, if the price drop one more times, even we don't need to break this one, drop a bit more can give us a better confirmation. We want to see how we can trade it if we move to forward chart. Okay, when the price was again within this move, we were looking for the price. If the price come to this high, we mentioned we can expect the price to reverse, and this is what we get. No, this is a correction for one more drop to break this one because we mentioned maybe we can look for this relative to this. Or this is the start of the up move with this flat for continuation. All depends how we can trade it here. Okay, if we move to 1 hour chart, we see how we can trade. First of all, mostly when we have this kind of the move, we can expect the price to drop. That means we can expect to get one move down. In this case, if we want to look for sell, if the price move a bit higher and it sharp move down with the flag, we can sell it with the breakout of this low. And how about if the price sharply drop? First of all, we can have entry below this, which again is really risky because of what we want the price to tag, break, and continue. If tag within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we just take out the trade, but it depends on the traders whether they want to take or not. Okay, and the best things is, again, as I mentioned, if we get one move up, the price drop. Now we want to see whether we can get the entry within this range for sell, or we only can trade by having entry below. And having entry below here is almost 46300. Okay, this is how we can look for sell because the way what we have here is mostly as a correction, similar to any of this. But we cannot put in relative to any of this in terms of the long length and the ways forming. Okay, even this one can turn to a bigger correction, similar to what we had here for one more drop. Okay, that means if we get any sell, even we see it's not moving, we don't stay, we take out the trade even within this range because still we can expect for to get flat 1, 2, 3 flat for one more drop. Okay, and if you want, and beside that, we mentioned may this one turn to a bigger flat in relative to this for one next move because of this sharp move. How we can trade it? May I move to 15 minutes? It will be more clear. If we want to look for buy, if there is a continuation from here, we wait for the breakout of this top. Next flag, we take the trade. Having entry above this is not, we don't suggest it. Okay, that means if the continuation, next flag we take the trade. But if the price get one more drop with the breakout of this low, any reversal with the flag, we can look for trade. Mostly we need to look for 15 minute. It depends on the traders whether they want to trade based on lower time frame or not. But based on 1 hour chart, I don't think so we can get any good trade. All right, but it depends. Unless the price drop, any reversal, we take the trade, or we wait for the breakout of this top with the flag, we confirm from the continuation. By the way, whatever right now we have it, mostly with the experience, this kind of the move can give us a one more drop. Unless also we can experience this one turns to bigger correction. Okay, by the way, we just follow the chart. We want to see how we can trade it, and just now we explain how we can how we can trade this one, the different options. And if I see any update, then I will share. Thanks.